Morning. I believe in prevention. It's better than cure. You're now looking down one of our house gullies. As you can see, it's full of general rubbish. I'm going to get it out before it really rains in winter time. Yeah, I've got a month or so, but like I said, better safe than sorry. There we go. That's the bottom of the gully you're looking at. Much better than it was. Oh, you want to see what I've taken out? Please hold. There we go. Taking out that lot there. As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like to support the channel, please buy me a coffee.